The first step to actually getting started is not just the knowledge you have, but it's also applying that knowledge. What you're doing for 4 years is just absorbing. How much of it are you actually applying? So your first job or the internships that you apply for while you are at university, they help you apply the knowledge that you are receiving in your institution. Risk is a very personal perspective. Nobody can tell you how much risk to take and how much risk not to take. Some people are born risk takers and some people are risk averse just by their DNA, right? But both people with such characteristics make fantastic entrepreneurs.
Firstly, I would like to say a big thank you to the faculty at Skyline University, Kano, for inviting me to be a part of their CEO series. I think the university itself is a game changer for Kano State. I've grown up in Nigeria all my life from the age of 9 months, and I'm a Kano girl since the age of 9. And it's a very proud moment for me to see that there's a university like Skyline coming up for our local students here. And to be a part of it and share my experience and benefit the students in whatever little way I can, this is a very special moment for me. So thank you once again.